phobia for heights.
My God, I love my view. I love my view. I'm in love with my view. This is the real Accra. Hello lovers of good thing, welcome back to the channel. But if you are new to this channel, you are welcome. My name is Lillian. So guys, I am going on a one-day staycation in Accra, Ghana. Guys, I just love the fact that I'm going to spend time with myself one whole day. That is why I had to leave the house early so that my money can start reading early enough. You know, hotels, once it's 12 the following day, you are expected to sign out. So before that happens, I want to enjoy every bit of it. So come with me to Accra, to Airport View Hotel in Accra. So, and I'm going to take you guys through my day alone with no kids, nobody to make me talk. So that's exactly where we are going. And when we get here, I'm going to tell you guys how I came about this staycation. Meanwhile, don't forget to give this video a big like, and if you have not subscribed, do it to hit the subscription button. And what again am I going to show you guys? So guys, hi everyone, I'm on one day staycation here at the Airport View Hotel in Accra. And okay, fine, how did I get here? My goodness, this place is expensive. Lily, you are rich. Someone paid for me to just have to just leave the house and come out here and just chill. I didn't want this idea at all. I needed the money, but sometimes we have to also pretend that all is well with us. I accepted this deal, so here I am enjoying my staycation. This would have happened long ago, but because I did not have time to come and claim my rewards or my offer or my gift. So hold on, let me pick that. I'll come back. So I did not have time to come and claim this. This is like a gift for me from a subscriber, but I had wanted to ask for that money. But when someone give you gifts, you take it without trying to let them, just without trying to disturb their peace. That's why I just said okay, fine, thanks. So now that I have time to enjoy this, I want to stay here for a whole day alone without the kids. And hopefully I'm going to do one video here in addition to this one, just to be away from home. Guys, I wish that money had come for me directly so I can travel out of Accra as usual. But you don't tell people what to give to you when they are giving you gifts. So yeah, let me show you guys my room. It's quite tiny, but don't worry, I'll take you through it so you can see. But the most incredible thing about here is that I am looking at the airport, and I'm even looking at the plane right now. So that is how close it is to the airport. So it's just like if you're walking, if you're trekking from the airport to this place, 4 minutes. But if you are driving, it's like 2 minutes or even less. So yeah, let me show you guys around. This is the first thing I'd like you guys to see. Look at the views, like so. So let me show you guys the room proper. From the entrance, this is what it looks. I hope this AC will not affect me. I forgot to put it off. So this is my key, and this is what it looks like from here, like so. And voila, this is the bed. This one is really tiny, very small, but of course no boo, I'm all by myself. So this is how we're gonna be holding, reading the Bible. So we have this intercom. What you see when you get in here, trust me, getting away from home is good sometimes. Just that some of us are still working our ass out. We've not made the money yet. So here is the wardrobe, and here is the save. If you want to save some money and or some valuables, and you do not want, you want to save some valuables, this is just it for you. Let me see what's up here. Okay, this one is locked. The on up is locked. So here the hanger, the wardrobe is really small. Everything about this room is so cute and tiny. I hope that one day I'll have my own room like this, cozy, cool, calm. And so yeah, that's all for now. So what I'm going to do is just chill. Oh, I didn't show you guys the fridge. This is the refrigerator, really small. This is the manual in case I want to order anything or I want to call them. Here it is. And of course this is my bag, because I'll be leaving. It's just a one-day staycation. In here is my toiletries, my bathing soap and the rest, just my basics, like the just few things to make me comfortable. I'm just going to do all the work with my phone here. So right now I want to drink some tea. Here is my water. If I want to drink tea, I just pour some water here, heat it up, and make my tea. So yeah, you guys, my bathroom. Okay, hold on, let me do that now. So let me show you guys this is what it looks like here. Oh man, one day I'll have money to build my own house and my bathroom will look like this, bigger than this though, but like it's just gonna be this clean, cool, and very relaxing. So this is what it is like. This is just whatever. Of course, when I'm leaving, if I don't finish them, I'll take it. So this is the hand dryer if you want to wash your hair. I washed my hair at home and I didn't have a dryer to dry it. Imagine, it's on here. Okay, so this is it. The toilet seat and the shower too, like the bath area. I don't know how you call that. And because it's a very small room for one person, they give you this tour and this small one. Just maybe you want to clean your hands or sweat, or you want to bath, use this. All right. So yeah, let me just enjoy my staycation and put outside looks like. Let me show you guys around. I have phobia for heights. In case I haven't said that to you before, I got the city in the palm of my hand. Oh my god, I love my view! I love my view! I'm in love with my view! I love my view! About my view. Do you like it? This is Accra in focus. The real Accra. The real Accra. As a matter of fact, I do not like noise one bit. but I found myself loving the noise in this place. There's the cars that are passing, or the bustle of the city. I love it. But when you are in there, it's soundproof. You barely hear anything from outside, though you hear some. Why my room was noisy is because I left my window open when I was making the video. So yeah, right now I'm going to Accra Mall to try out some burger. I'm going to Burger King located at Accra Mall. I hope you come with me, guys. If you have not had a burger from Burger King, my goodness, you are on a long thing. Their burger is so yummy. Honestly, when you go there, please order for the beef if you want to get the if you want to go, because I said so. Please, for you to be able to get the exact thing I'm talking about, please just please order for beef. All right, you are going to love it. Like, I loved the fact that I came back to have a bite of burger. Seriously, I wanted to go see a movie, but it's going to take all my time, and I have things to do. I have videos to edit. Now that I'm editing, nobody's telling. I'm not going to shout, when did this, praise this. So I have all the time to myself. I want to enjoy myself, but I want to work. So yeah, see. Their burger here is so fresh and yummy. Seriously, I don't know what else they do better here. Even their fries is so good, and their price is kind of reasonable this time. I think the other time I was here, I ordered for something, and at the end of the day, it looked too expensive. It came out looking too expensive. But today, I was smart. I went for the smallest piece of burger, the smallest one. I didn't want to hear story. So, and everything came out somewhere around 30, 36 or 37 cedis, with a bottle of Fanta and fries and the burger. So you see, enjoy yourself on a very smart note. Don't go and spend all your money, oh Lily. Okay, fine, that's a joke. If you have money, just enjoy it. Me, I'm doing it according to my pockets. So yeah, I'm going to go back to the hotel. I had wanted to go elsewhere to just chill, but I don't want to play with my time. So here is the hotel bar. I want to drink something. Yeah, anything. I just want to drink something, because all of this is taken care of for me. I drink it or not, it has been paid for, and there's no refund. So I want to drink it.
So I'm back.
So yeah.
All right, so it's time for me to just chill. Then later, go for dinner. And then tomorrow, I go back to default setting, which is going back to my house to shout, Wendy, stop! Wendy, stop!
I'm supposed to take you guys till the following morning, but guys, you see me, I'm tired of filming. Everywhere I go, I'll be filming, and people will be looking at me like, this slay queen, what are you doing with videos? So for dinner, I opt for fufu. This one is neat fufu, though I won't lie, I did not enjoy the food. The soup is okay, but the fufu is not that giving me that Ghana fufu vibe, so I did not really enjoy it, but it's okay. I had fun. That is what is important. So thank you guys for coming, and thank you to my subscriber who made this possible. Charlie, thank you so much, sir. I appreciate it. All right, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.